Hello everybody, Armed Diver. I'm here to do an unboxing of my new Warpoet Pistol. I don't know if I've ever done an unboxing before. I think I did one on a Surefire Light a while back. But anyway, you don't need to hear me talk. You want to see what's in the box. The Warpoet Pistol is made by Shadow Systems. This is the outside of the box. Let's pull this up here so you can see it if you have any interest in this. The actual gun is Shadow Systems model 920. And I got this one with a Holosun. This is what the inside of the lid looks like. And we have some things here which I don't know what they are. A couple of small pieces here. Let's see. Let's bring this closer to the camera. Let's take a look. I have no idea what those pieces are. But anyway, they were attached to the lid just like so. Over here, you got a little bit of Loctite. And a whole bunch of more little parts. I have a ring up here. I'm not sure what that is. It says, do not use with suppressor. Okay. I will try my best not to use that with a suppressor. Shadow Systems patch, or sticker. We got to have those kind. We got to have stickers. And here is the Shadow Systems MR920 Pistol Safety and Operations Manual. And it's got stuff for mounting optics in it. It talks about the gun. It's a good little manual. It's got nice stuff in it. I honestly have not looked at this yet. Terminologies for the different parts of the gun, operation. It's a pretty extensive little manual. Not bad at all. And the actual gun is in this Shadow Systems case. Looks like it's made out of nylon, Cordova. I'm not sure it's Cordura. But anyway, let's go ahead and we'll open it up and take a look at this gun. So, I'll turn it around so everybody can see it. Let's see what's in the bag. Okay, we'll start with the bag itself. Okay, how's that sound? And here, we're going to open up this plastic bag. Lucas gun oil. Let's see what all the little parts are that are in here. These look like pieces for back straps. That looks like a push pin. I got two different back strap pieces here. And a mag well, which is kind of handy. Not bad. I'll put that off to the side over here. And this is the real reason why I bought the gun, believe it or not, was this Holosun. I wanted to get a gun with another optic on it, and I'm going to do a video on 4 different optics, and this is going to be one of those ones. This is the new version 2, which means that if it's correct, the battery tray, I don't have to take the sight off the gun to get the battery out of it. We have our ubiquitous gun lock. I have a ton of these. I can lock up every gun I've got and then hide the keys. This is a Magpul magazine. It's one of what I believe, I should have 2 of these. And it's I guess it's a 15 rounder. I can't tell. Yeah, it's 15 round capacity. It says so on the bag. So Magpul. Okay, now the bag isn't bad. It's got magazine holder spaces here for magazines. And then back in here is the actual gun. And there she be, my friends. That is the Warpoet Pistol. Let's give you a little more contrast. We'll flip the box down so you can see this better. I'll actually turn the box around. But there it is. That's the Warpoet Pistol. And you will notice it has the Warpoet emblem on this side of it. It says MR920 on it. It's a Holosun. And on the other side, you have the Warpoet emblem here on the slide again. Right there. And it says Warpoet on the barrel. I don't know. This is not a Glock. Don't let anybody try to convince you that it is. It looks like a Glock. At the best you can say it's a Glock clone. But it itself is not a Glock. Let's open it up. Let's open up the slide. Make sure the gun is clear. I hope everybody's happy. Nothing in the magazine. We will drop the mag. And like I said, it's a 15 round mag. The gun has a good feel. It feels like a 19. There's no big deal difference there. I like the Holosun a lot as far as its appearance. And as I said, there's the battery compartment for it right there, which is really handy. It's got looks to have a really nice view there in the inside the optic itself. So we will find out. But without further ado, I'm not going to go any further into this. I just wanted to do the unboxing and show you what we have. Again, here's your box, the case that it comes with, the weapon itself, two 15 round magazines, Magpul magazines, parts for the Holosun right here. Lucas, the parts that I took out of the little bag, which are, pick that up later. And Lucas oil, two different grip module pieces here. There's one, there's the pin. Here's the other one. I'm not sure that these matter to me because they're a little too small. I have a pretty big hand. The gun's small enough as it is. If any one of those expanded, it'll help. The manual, your sticker, and some more parts here, right there, and a little bit of Loctite, I guess for mounting stuff. And that's it, my friends. I will try my best to get this up tonight, and we will talk at you later after I've had a chance to shoot it. Hope everybody has a great night.